braids are so tight on the bottom, she might as well have knotted the hair and not even use a rubber band to secure the ends. The hardest part here is trying to unravel this tiny little end. And obviously having nails on doesn't make it any easier, but I'm struggling right now. My scalp feels so good after having my hair in braids. I didn't even have my hair in braids for that long. I think I got it done on Wednesday and today's Monday. But it was just the fact that I was outside on the beach in the sand in the water. My scalp was so itchy and it feels amazing right now. I also don't have much time at all, so I'm going to be doing a super lazy wash day style routine type of thing. But first I'm going to go in and put some of this herbal scalp care spray. This is a leave-in scalp care spray, also from Aromas. And I'm going to kind of separate my hair a little bit, like shake it out so it's not stuck to my scalp. And then spray this all over, trying to make sure I actually get my scalp and not just my hair strands. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this leave-in cream. This is the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength leave-in. I'm gonna put this all over. And of course, I'll be listing everything that I use in this video down in the description box below if you're interested in anything. I do think I have a discount code for all of the Aromas products, the scalp care stuff, the shampoo and conditioner. So if you're interested in that, you might be able to save a little bit of money on those. I'm also gonna add a little bit of this Cantu avocado oil. This has rosemary and flaxseed oil. I'm gonna put this on my scalp as well as the ends of my hair. I actually have some skin from my scalp, I guess, peeling because it did burn a little bit while I was on vacation. So these are like chunks of scalp skin, I guess. I know this is kind of gross, but this is what happens when you don't protect your scalp and you're outside in the sun all day. So I'm gonna try and take these little chunks of skin out. So I'm just gonna be doing 2 braids on each side, and I'm just gonna do this super loosely. I don't want a lot of tension on my hair or on my scalp right now. And ideally I would let my hair air dry before I do this, but like I said earlier, I am on a very tight time crunch. So I'm just gonna do this for now. I'm about to go to class, and then probably when I come home, I'll just let my hair air dry outside of the braids. Same thing on this side. And a little bit of baby hairs, so it looks like we actually tried today.